Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday means Friday freebie. Yes. So today is Halloween Friday freebie. I have shared, can't remember when now, I think it was a Sunday, last Sunday I guess, all my 4 Halloween digital papers. They are available for everybody on my website. There's 4 mini kits, so there's 4 pages each. £1.50 each. So I will put that video at the end of this video, so if you're a Halloween fan, go and have a look. But today I want to gift you all this page. This page here is page designed from one of my VIP Lounge October papers. You might say, if you're new to my channel, my VIP Lounge is a membership that I offer every month, where when you join, you get 3 digital paper packs, 30% discount code across everything on my website, and also you get a letter gift box. We have done loads of gift boxes, and one is on the floor now. Let me bring them to you. So this month we've done the letter F. Look at that. And we've done all the letters of the alphabet so far. Here, so we got A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, so we've done so far all these gift boxes, and we will do all the alphabet for my VIP members, and then we'll do the numbers straight after. So every month you get one of those. This month, as I said, is letter F, so we do in order. Okay. So let me show you the VIP Lounge paper for the month of October. Now, this little frame of the video has been pre-recorded when I had issues with my camera, so I do apologize, but on that video, the audio will be gone on and off. I do apologize. So yeah, bear with me for that. I think it's literally a couple of minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, let me show you the pages. The 3 paper packs, actually 4, because this month I have been extremely generous. Yeah, so you get 3, your usual 3 paper packs plus a little extra this month, but let me show you everything. So the first paper pack is called Poppy's Parade. Poppy Parade is a collection of floral pages full of poppies. The main predominant palettes are red and greens, and there is a bit of gold, like very earthy color. So you got one full background, another background more like geometrical rather than floral, again with a similar color, so you can use those 2 pages in conjunction. You get another page here with the poppies and the leaves and some stars, and then that's my favorite. You get a full page full of lovely stars, greens and poppies there. So as you can see, you can use those 4 pages. If I put them like that, you can see they have been designed to be used as a mix and match. I love contrast. I love geometric contrast with floral, so I think those are gonna work very well. Okay, paper pack number 2 is called And Other Stories. Yes, and other stories, because the stories behind this is a story given by the lovely ephemera on the background, and then I put your traditional autumnal sunflowers on the top. Now, these sunflowers, again, the color palette I choose, have designed these sunflowers with, because I like the contrast with the orange and yellow and the blue. It's pure blue purplish. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I think if I put it close to the camera, you probably notice more. But yeah, so that's that. And you've got 4 pages with ephemera. So this is portrait. And you've got these lovely sunflowers there. So if I put it like this, you can see it all. Then you get another page with the sunflowers. And then another page which is predominantly black and white. And then a pop of colour from the sunflowers. Okay, so this is called And Other Stories. And then because October is the month for Halloween, I wanted to treat my VIP members with a kit called Halloween Tarots. So this is a collection of Halloween tarots. There's a lot of characters in here. You get 10 tarots per page, so 10, you get 14 total. Okay, and everybody's different. So I'm not going to go through one by one, but you can make some tags, you can make some embellishments. Some of this can be used outside your traditional Halloween time because, there is this trend of floral and skulls that happen for a very long time. So, yeah, you can see shadows. I love them. Love. Oh, where is that lady? I'll show you my favourite. Where is she? Oh, that's it. Sweetie Skelly. I love her. She's so sassy and I love her. Love it. So that's the 3 paper packs. Let me put it here so you guys can see. So you got Puppy Parade, End of the Stories, Halloween Tarots, and then as a gift from me, as a little extra treat, my VIP members for this month will get a collection of vintage ephemera. Okay, so this is a collection of labels, tickets, advertisements. So there's two pages jam-packed of these. This can be easily fussy cut, and you can use to decorate a project, or use them more like as an embellishment, I guess. The teeny tiny, although there's quite a lot on a page. And again, the color palette is the same, so it's like cream, pink and greens. So again, you can use the ephemera or your poppy parade, etc. Okay, so this is an extra little gift for this month. And last but not least, as we are carry on with the gift boxes, in October is the letter F. So this is what the letter F looks like. In fact, let me just get rid of this because I don't think you guys can see it. So this is what the template looks like, and then you fussy cut all these parts and make the gift box. I'll show you the gift box in just a second. There is a private video tutorial that shows you how to put this together as well, so I filmed them separate. And when I send out the papers towards the normally like the 31st of the previous month, so the 31st of September, the guys, all my VIP members will get a paper. So you get a private video that says how you put this together. But let me show you what the gift box looks like. And this is, guys, what the letter F looks like. So this is not my design. This is actually from DJ from Hyder and Yon Studio. We did a video collaboration together, and of course she gave me the permission to use her paper to create the letter F because I did like this page. So this was my favorite page of her kit, and then she gave me the permission to use it to create the letter F. So in the past we've done all the letters of the alphabet so far. We've done A, B, C. Let me zoom out a little bit. Done letter D, letter E, which was last month, and now it's letter F. Okay, so after the letters we will cover all the numbers as well. So but for now, what can we spell? We can spell face, F-A-C-E. But this is great if you want to make people's name. Do you know, it's a little gift. That is brilliant. So so that's letter F. Guys, so I hope it wasn't too bad, the audio, and it wasn't too annoying. But anyway, so how you get a freebie? 2 ways. Number 1, subscribe to my it's completely free newsletter, and I will put on the screen now what the newsletter looks like. It's just an email that I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time, and it gets all the videos of the week in case you guys have missed it, my paper for the week. There is also a cheeky discount code attached, or there is an offer. Every week I treat you with something because it's my little way to say thank you to you guys. So it's a really nice email. And also you can join my Facebook group where you can download about 300 of my freebies from the previous year. Let me show you where.
Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on files, you see here, this is the recent one, which is the 5th of July, but you will see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the three dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay, have fun and happy crafting.
And today I want to shout out a lovely comment from Sharla. Sharla is a VIP member, so she gets my subscriptions every month, and I will put Sharla's comment on the screen. Sharla's very darling. She's a lovely, lovely, talented crafter, and she's so funny. I love, me and Sharla had this very similar dry sense of humor. So thank you, Sharla, for sticking up with me. I know you joined the VIP lounge a long time ago, so I really appreciate your support, guys. That's it. So enjoy, download this freebie, go on my Facebook group and join our newsletter so you can get it next week, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter is gone out already, so you won't receive this freebie attached. You will get it from next week. And yeah, so go on my Facebook group, is all there. Guys, I'm going to go. If you wish to join my VIP lounge, let me show you where you can find it on my website.
Okay guys, so this is my website. So when you look at AntonioMakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP lounge, there you go, you got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month, and then you have a yearly one, so you got the VIP lounge yearly membership. Okay, so if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each, a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the gold butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay
guys, I'm going to go. Have a wonderful weekend, whatever you're doing. Is my weekend at work, so never mind, it's okay. But yeah, a couple of days off, so you can I can craft afterwards during the week when it's a bit nicer and quieter. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you like this video, consider giving me a spooky thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and I hope you're going to enjoy this freebie. So you've got two large cards from the tarots. One has got Sweet Skelly, which is my favorite, and one has got Eternal Love with the two lovers, and then you've got two little floral ones as well. So if you do something with this freebie, please share on my Facebook group so everybody can take inspiration from one another, and I'm really intrigued to see what you make with those. Big hugs and kisses to everybody. I will see you on Monday for another video, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.